Alright guys, today I will be showing you how to remove these side trim pieces on your BMW 3 Series. Same applies to the door trim piece right here and the fender. I will not be taking the one off the door, but I will take the one off the fender and show you how it's done. Alright, so the tools I would recommend using is like a little plastic wedge or something to slide up in here to be able to pop it off so you don't scratch your paint, but I cannot find mine, so I'm just using this little pick. Be careful so you do not scratch your paint, but basically you just need to get in here, get up behind it, and it should just pop right out, just like that. See that? And then we go over here, pop it out, and there you go. Your trim piece is removed. And this is also you have to get to take your window regulator out in the back. There's a little bolt in there. Alright, same concept on the fender, except I've taken the fender off the car, and you actually have this little lip you could probably grab with your hands and just pop up just like that. And then you'll get your little pick or little plastic wedge, slide underneath, and carefully push up so you do not break the clips on the trim piece. And well, as you see, I have broken that one, so be very careful when you do that. But there you go, trim piece out. Very easy, not that hard to do. Now I definitely do recommend doing this in warm weather, because even if you are careful, the other clip, this one right here is fine, but this one right here, the back part of it actually broke off. So do in warm weather because the plastic does get really brittle in the cold.